good morning. How are you all? Yeah, I know. Everyone is not that much happy. Why? Because you are not being, you can't go outside. Okay, you are not able to go outside. So many issues are going on there. Okay, children, tell me what today's issue or nowadays what issues are going on. Yeah, corona, that means COVID-19. Okay, now I am your English teacher. My name is Kumari. Okay, children, today we are going to discuss the new chapter. You know what is the chapter name? Yeah, Reign of Love. What is the chapter name? Reign of Love. Okay, so tell me, my dears, what is a family? Yeah, correct. What is a family? Family is a group of people that who living together under the same roof of inside the roof we are living together. Okay, grandfather, grandmother, children, everybody living together. That is a family. Okay, now I will show you a picture. Please observe it. Look at this picture. Who all are there in this picture? Please. Yeah, grandfather, grandmother, children, father and mother. Are they happy? Yes, sad. Yeah, happy. Why they are happy? Tell me. Because they are living together. That's why. This is a family. Okay. Now I will show you another picture. Look at this picture. Tell me. Yes, it's a family tree. Okay, please tell me what is a family tree? Please tell me. Yeah, we can easy way to understand the family members. If we will draw this picture, we can easily recognize the family members. When you are writing, you are drawing the family tree, you want to write down your name. Okay, then you want to do this one you want to do in your activity. Okay, you want to draw the family tree and you fill it. Okay, now let me start our new chapter. You already told. What is the chapter name? Yeah, Reign of Love. This is an autobiographical story. Okay, who wrote this one? You know, famous cartoonist Shankar. Who wrote it? Famous cartoonist Shankar. You know where is Shankar's birthplace? Yeah, Kayangulam is in Kerala. Okay, when he born 1902. Okay, he is a cartoonist and his notable work in what founded Shankar's Weekly in 1948. Okay, look, he got so many awards also. What award? He got Padma Vibhushan in 1976. Then he honors what? Children's Book Trust established in 1957. Okay, you know when he died or he passed away. Yeah, we can remember when is our Christmas we are celebrating 25th. Okay, next day, that means December 26th he passed away 1989. Okay, now little bit you understand who is cartoonist Shankar. You know his real name. You know what is the full name? Keshavan Shankara Pillai. Okay, Keshavan Shankara Pillai. I already told this is an autobiography. Then you will think, oh, what is an autobiography? Okay, tell me what is an autobiography? Yeah, autobiography means description about one's life written by himself. That means you are writing your own story. Okay, you are writing your own story. That is autobiography. Okay, here in this chapter, Reign of Love, we already told it, describing an interesting story of a little boy Raja. What is the name of Raja? Raja calling, everybody is calling Raja. Okay. What is the real name? We know this is an autobiography. Who wrote it? Yeah, cartoonist Shankar. So everybody is calling him Raja. Okay. So this Raja is living with his grandparents. Okay, where he living is not parents, grandparents. The story reveals the strong bond of love between family and family members. Now little bit you understood who is Shankar. This is an autobiography. Then its chapter's main aim what about family, everything. Now let's start our chapter. Okay, children, look, everybody is calling Raja me, who me means Shankar. So you know he is liked to that name Raja. He liked very much that name. He is lived with his grandparents. Why you know? Because when he was young, what happened is mother died. That means passed away. At that time you know what his father did? He left and he went somewhere. What father did? He left and he went somewhere. So who care Raja? Who care Raja? Grandparents. Okay, you know how. Now we can look Raja's house. Now we understood where Raja is living, who is carrying Raja, everything we understood. Now we can look how is Raja's house. You know Raja's house is so big house. They are living in a large house. But you know there are only few members are there. Who all are they? Grandfather, grandmother, Raja and his uncle. How many members? Yes, 4 members. Raja has so many relatives are there. You know, but everybody is living their own houses. Everybody is living their own houses. Okay. Now we can look how is Raja's grandfather. You know how his grandfather, he was very strong and tall. You know, whenever grandfather will talk, he can't speak in low voice. How he spoke? Loudly. Okay, you know all villagers loved and respected grandfather. Why you know? Everybody is coming and asking advices. Okay, that's why everybody is respected whom? Grandfather. Now you understood. Okay, how is grandfather? Imagine how is grandfather tall, strong, loud speaking. Okay, everything keep in your mind. Now we can look how is grandmother. You tell me how is grandmother. How is your grandmother? Yeah, lovable. Always what grandmother will tell? Eat, drink, like that. Okay, Raja's grandmother also like that. So kind. You know, grandmother is always behind Raja. Always behind Raja. Then tell, Raja come bath. Raja come sleep. Raja come and eat. Like that always. But Raja likes it, okay. Now, 4th member, who is that? Uncle. How is uncle? Yeah, uncle was very clever. How he is? Very clever. Yeah. What uncle's job? Yeah, uncle is looking what? Grandfather's farm and field. Grandfather have lots of farm and fields. Who is looking everything? Uncle. You know, whenever Raja was in trouble, who will come and help? Who? Yeah, uncle. Always, whenever any problem Raja will happen, who will help? Uncle only help. Children, can I ask you one question? When you are in trouble, who will help you? Yeah, somebody have brothers, sister, grandfather, like that. Okay, I think now you understood that paragraph, because that paragraph we study how is grandfather, grandmother and uncle. Now got it? That picture? Yeah, draw in your mind that picture. Okay. Now, you know, Raja have no friends. Why you know? Grandfather is not allowed Raja to go outside for playing with other children. Why no? Grandfather is thinking, if grandfather will allow, what will happen? Raja's habit will become bad. Raja will become bad boy. Okay, that's why. You know, nobody is not coming inside the house also. Why you know? Because everybody is afraid, scared of grandfather. I already told how he spoke in loud voice. That's why nobody is coming. Yeah. Yes. Life with grandfather, you will think is dull, bore. Not at all. But I like my grandfather and grandmother. You know, my grandfather has a very big garden. There is so many flowers are there, butterflies are there, honeybees are there, everything is there. In the garden, there is a very big tank is there. There is full of fishes. You know, sometimes kingfishers will come, storks will come. Why? To catch the fish. You know, in the corner of the garden, there is a one grove. Grove means what? A small forest like bushes, shrubs like that. So, you know, there is jackal is there. Mongoose is there, so many animals are there. When Raja will go and catch the butterflies or something, you know, when Raja will see what jackal what he will do, he will run from there. Okay, you know, Raja's grandfather have big farm also there. There are cows, bulls, bullocks, everything is there. Raja is playing with the calves. Raja running and catching the calf. Okay, so Raja's life was so happy and beautiful. Now we talk about garden and farm. Keep in your mind that picture, take photo and keep it in your mind. Okay. Now making shower. You know, we already told very big garden is there. One day very heavy rain is going on there. And after the rain, grandfather and Raja went in the garden for picking the jasmine flower. What is the jasmine? What is the color of jasmine? Yeah, white color. So, when they stand there, you know, when after the rain, what will happen? The trees, leaves full of drops, water drops is there. What Raja did, you know? Raja started to shook the sandalwood tree. Then what happened? Your grandfather and Raja full wet. What happened? Then at that time Raja becomes so fun. You know, but grandfather becomes so angry. Raja, I will teach you a lesson. Who told? Grandfather told. Okay, Raja scared. He ran away from there. Then where he reached, you know, he reached in the paddy field and he hid there. Okay. Then grandfather called very loudly, Raja, come out. I will not beat you. Come out, my child. But Raja so scared. So you know, day is over. Little bit darkness came. At that time what happened? Yeah, Raja remembering the ghost story. Raja became afraid. Then what Raja did, you know? Raja went the cow shed and he sat top of the loft. What is the meaning of loft, children? Yeah, top of the roof. He sat there. So, in the house what happened? Everybody is calling Raja. But Raja came home? No. So, look, everybody is frightened and sad. Calling Raja, Raja is not coming. Grandmother blamed grandfather. Yeah, you did this one. Why should you scold my child? That's why he went, no? Who told? Grandmother. Okay. So, when Raja is sitting there, he can see where grandfather is sitting. Then grandfather is sitting, he is so sad. He's a strong man. Then also he is so sad. I know grandfather is waiting for me. I know. Okay. When I did not turn up, she looked me for everywhere houses. He searched me everywhere, not find it. Okay. Then he started to pray to God. Oh God, give my son. Like that he started. What grandmother is doing? She's crying. You know, this news spreads everywhere. This news spreads everywhere. Okay children, if you want to hear the news, next class you can hear. Okay, till here you want to remember, keep in your mind what I taught today. What I taught you? Yeah, first of all, Raja's house. Second, about how is grandfather, how is grandmother, how is uncle. Okay, then grandfather's farm, field. Then they went garden. Then Raja. Now Raja is hide somewhere in the cow shed. Bye bye. Take care. Whenever you are going out, please wear the mask. Okay. Thank you.